How to fix iPhone call sound problem. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. First things first, you can simply try to increase the call volume from the left side of your iPhone. So simply press the volume up button and make sure the volume bar is full while making a call, and with this, you should be able to listen to the volume. If not, then you might need to clean the earpiece speaker, so go ahead and use a soft, dry toothbrush and gently clean the top speaker, that is the earpiece, and remove screen protector temporarily if it is covering the speaker. The next fix is sometimes the sound goes to your earbuds or car or any other Bluetooth devices. So open settings and tap on Bluetooth and disable Bluetooth for the time being. Next fix is in settings again, tap on accessibility and then on audio and visual. Here you will see the option for phone noise cancellation. So go ahead and toggle off the toggle button for phone noise cancellation. Next, in settings again, tap on sounds and haptics and then tap on the headphone safety option. Here, go ahead and toggle off the toggle button for reduce loud sounds. See if your issue is fixed yet or not, and if not, then during a call, tap on the speaker option and then switch back to iPhone and make sure if it's not stuck on speaker or Bluetooth. You can then try to restart your iPhone, as restarting your iPhone simply fixes temporary glitches on your iPhone, which also includes the audio bugs. See if that helps, and if not, then in settings again, tap on general and then on software update. Here, go ahead and update the latest version of iOS, as the new features, the new version simply updates the audio bugs. See if that helps, and if not, then in general again, tap on transfer or reset iPhone and then on reset and then on reset all settings. Enter your passcode and reset all settings. Doing this will reset all settings of your iPhone and will bring back them to the manual settings that was activated when you first unlocked your iPhone. So these were a few fixes on how you can fix low call volume on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.